Today I have a very rare 2002 Lexus 430 SC Coupe. It's a V8. This car is up from Virginia. It has all the owner's books and the original window sticker. This car was $63,000 new. This is a convertible hardtop with a windscreen. Look at this. It has it all. Leather, navigation, floor mats, every available option this car came with in 02. 2 sets of keys. This car is totally rust-free. I had this shipped up from Virginia. Look at the wheels. There's no pitting. It's a smoke-free car. This car is a blast to drive. Plus, it's good looking. Come check this car out at Tempest Motors today. They're very rare, especially with under 100,000 miles, and this clean. Don't let this one get away from you. Thanks for looking.